Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about basic PLC GE. Okay, so this is a previous project that we already learned about part H, the data move, and we already focused on the data move for integer, and we also connect the points or these points to the HMI also. Okay, so today we will continue to our topics. So here is the previous project of Proficy Machine Edition, and this is a previous screen that we connect all this one. Yes, this is the move integer to our HMI, and also connect the array, yes, to the HMI also. So today we will continue to the Boolean. Yes, let's go to the later part 4. Yes, for Boolean. This is the first Boolean that if I would like to on the output, I just move, yes, I just move one to this move boolean, then it will turn on this output. If I turn on this button for move the boolean, okay. If I would like to stop this one, I just enable this move 0 to the output. It will stop the output, okay. And we also create the move boolean for array. This is we already learned in the previous video. So today we will connect all these points to the HMI. Okay, so let's go to our project of HMI. Okay, so first we must create the points for all these variables. So let's go to points. I would like to delete some point that not due first. Yes. So this is a point tabs that we must create some point to control the HMI screen. Okay. So let's go to add this one first. Yes. So right click news. Don't forget dynamic this one. Yes. Otherwise the point is not work. Okay. So dynamic. Make sure we already dynamic. So point example input boolean 1. It is the boolean, yes, and we use the divide points. So let's click boolean and divide points. Okay, let's click OK and then go to the address. So the address is start from %32. So %32 and then click OK. If we would like to mention the description, we can also mention example input boolean number 1. Yes, and this is output, and one more for reset the move boolean. If we enable this button, we will move 0 to the output. So we also create for reset. can also RST, yes, reset for reset, and version 33, yes, and one more for output, version 36. So duplicate, it is the output, right? Okay, output boolean, yes. So this is the output, yeah, output boolean number 1, yes, and this is the address, so we must put version 36, yes, to match with the Proficy Machine Edition. So right now we already created the points for input and output of the boolean. So let's go to create the new screen for test, yes. So right click here and then new, yes, and then we will create some function for start and stop example. So let's go to the Object Explorer. Normally we can use the switch, yes, like selector, yeah, okay, and browse the points, yeah, go to the boolean input number 1, right, that we already create. Here input boolean 1, yes, and click OK. So save the screen, example screen 4, yes, screen 4, okay, and we will insert one more for reset, yes, browse and go to the reset, right, input boolean reset, input boolean RST. This one we can also search example star RST star and browse, yeah, here is the input boolean. So this one for reset, right, font we can adjust also, yes, and for this one for move boolean, we can align also to be good, yes, like this, and we can align this one also, yeah. Okay, right now we already insert one switch for move the boolean and one switch for reset the boolean. Okay, so let's go to the motor, yeah, M motor for test with the bit, right. Okay, right now I will insert the one motor example. I like this one, yes, drag and drop to the screen, and then right click, open group, example this one, go to color animation and then edit, go to browse the points, output, right? So we can out and then start, yes, output boolean, click OK, and we will change the condition, change the status of the motor. It means that change the color, right? So we will change to the green color. If the this point on, we will change to green color, and normally it will red color. Okay, so we can save again, and we can resign, yes, this motor. So take the screen. Okay, let me turn on the switch to position on, and let's see this button will on. Okay, let's go. Okay, it will turn on this button, yes, this switch, and then move one to the output. If I turn off, it's still on because we already move one to on the output. Okay, if I would like to stop this button, sorry, this motor, I just turn on this one, it will move 0 to the output. Okay, and motor will stop. Okay, so it is the concept of move one boolean to the output, yes. Okay, and for next step we will create the point for boolean array. Okay, so I will minimize this first, and let's add point for array. Example this one for boolean 3, right? So let's go to our project simplicity and go to the points tab, and we can duplicate this one to boolean 3 because it is the boolean 3, right? So %7 description boolean number 3, and this one boolean number 4, so we can duplicate boolean number 4 and the number 8, yes, so we put number 8 and this one number 3, and for input this one is the array, right? So we cannot duplicate from this one, so we will create a new, right click and then new, go to the boolean and choose the device, and this is a input array. AY mean that array boolean. Okay, input array boolean, and then click OK, and I will explain more about the array. We can mention on this, we can put, this is the array number 10, right? This is array number 10, and we put element 10 also for array, the boolean, and the device, yeah, go to right? It will start from 12, yes. So 12, yes, start from %12 to %21, right? Okay, we just put %12, it will automatically create the array for us. Okay, this one we can mention the description, example, array boolean input 10 array, right? Okay, array boolean input 10 arrays. Okay, start from %12. Here we can go to point control panel for check. Example here, yes, %12, yes, and array, you can check array. It is the 12, yes, 12 points. If we don't tick this 10, for example, this point, you see, it is not array. You see, it is not array. If we put the element bigger than 1, it will show the array. Here, go to point control panel, and then here it will show the array for us. Start from 0 to 9. Okay, so it will 10 points. Okay, and let's go to the output. Yes, this one for output, or we can create this one for motor 1, motor 2, and motor 3, because this output, it will turn on from this one for 10 array also, right? So let's go to create these 3 points for motor number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, so let's go to our project of simplicity, and we can duplicate this one. So this is motor 1, right? Sample motor 1. Start from %37, right? So 37. This is the motor 1 status. Example, motor 1 status. Yes. And this is the motor 2, so we can duplicate and change this to motor 2, and then start from %38. Yes, this is a motor 2 status. Yeah, and one more for motor 3, right? So duplicate and go to motor 3 and %39. Okay, description change to motor 3. Okay, so right now we already created the input array 10 array, and the output for 3 motors. So we go to our screen to create the animation, yeah, for show the status of motor. So I will move some okay, I will increase the paper, right? So with example geometry 600, yes. Okay, maybe one more for 800, yeah, bigger than this one. So actually we can copy this one, copy and paste, or press Ctrl and Shift and then drag and drop the mouse. We can copy also, yes, and we can resize this to smaller, yes, we can copy the small one, yes, okay. So it is a 3 motor, and I will copy this width also, yes. So press Ctrl and Shift and drag and drop our mouse, yes. Adjust screen to be better than this one, okay. So this is a switch for motor 1, yes. Switch for motor 2. We create the motor 1 first, so double click on the switch and then browse to the points. So browse the points, go to the array, right? So we can search star AY star, okay, and browse. Here is the array boolean, right? So input array boolean, yes, and then don't forget write like this. Array, input array, right? So write like this. Like this. It means that the array number 1, so start from 0 like this, okay. So click OK, and then one more. This one is the 2, right? So start from 1, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, right? And number 3, 0, 2, right? Yes. And one more for the enable for move, okay, we already enable this one for move. So we must create the move, one more, enable the move, right? So this one maybe for enable the move. Move for all, right? So let's go to the input, right? Browse the point and then go to the array boolean input, right? This one. And one more for reset, right? for stop all. Maybe I can adjust the motor to be go down a little bit. Yeah. So this one for move the boolean, right? So move AY move array boolean. This button for move array boolean, and this switch for reset, right? Reset array boolean. Adjust to be smaller than this 20. Okay, so this one for enable, it means that this button, yeah, and one more for reset, right? This one for reset the button. So let's test the screen. Yes, save and test our screen. %7. Let's go to check the %7. Which one? Array boolean, right? 10 array. Input boolean 3, right? Okay, I will change the point, this one, yeah, for enable. Go to the points and then go to boolean 3, right, for enable. Input boolean 3, right, and this one for input boolean 4. Browse the point, and this one for yes. Okay, so right now I will enable the, okay, zoom out a little bit. For easy to understand, yes. Okay, so first I will enable, turn on this bit first, yes. Yeah, so if I turn on this switch, it will move all this input to control the output, and the motor will turn on. Okay, so if I turn on this one, yes, this one is on. Motor, why motor status not on? Because we not yet set the status of the motor, right? So edit again. So let's go to group, yeah, open group, and then go to edit, yes, and browse the point, right? Go to browse the points and go to the output, right? Go to the motor, right? Motor 1 and this one, yeah, close the group and then go to open group this one and this one for motor 2, yes, and close the group, and one more for motor number 3, right? Motor number 3, yes, and close the group, and then let's test again. Motor number 3 is on, right? Motor 3, why not on motor 3? Boolean 2, input Boolean 2, right? Let's check why motor number 3 is not on. Go to here and then check the motor number 3, right? Motor 3. So let's go to check the points for motor 3. Not on, right? Percent 39. Okay, let's go to check our PLC and run screen again. Okay, I will turn on again. This one, right? Oh, maybe this one confused a little bit. Yes, this one should be percent 24. Okay, so let's change this one to percent 24. Yes, this one, because it start from percent 32, 22, 23 and 24, right? Okay, let's download again. Yes, right now it go on. Okay, so option motor number 1, number 2, number 3 is on right now. So if I would like to reset all this motor, I just enable for this switch, right? Yes, all the motors is turned off. Okay, so if we would like to turn on only one motor, we can also do that. Open this one. Yeah, you see the motor 1 is on and some motor is not on. Okay, I reset. Yes, if we would like to turn on this motor, we just enable this one. Yes, oh, this one should be disabled. Okay, reset. Yes, this one turn on, it will on. Okay, and we can reset also. Yes, so this is a concept how to create the array Boolean from Proficy Machine Edition to the HMI. Okay, and we can also control the motor for 3 motors. Yes, or one by one we can do also. Okay, one by one, yes. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my videos. I will reply soon. Okay, and in the next video I will focus on how to create the screen of Simplicity HMI for test. Okay, so thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.